And now we're back with another job in the shop. We got a brake that's a little too loose. You can see it up here. It's touching the handlebar. That's unacceptable. I like to use what I call the rule of thumb. You want it to be about, can you see? About there. Not there. Okay, so let's go ahead and figure out how to do this. So this one's going to require a 14 millimeter and an 8 millimeter. And I like to, in order to immobilize that post there, grab me what some might call pressure pliers or a vice grip. And I'm just going to grab onto that post. Usually that'll do it for me, to keep the actual stick part from spinning while I'm trying to manipulate these bits. So you'll notice if we go down here, I'm going to get a pointy thing. Hang on. Here we go. So when we're down here, you'll see there's a bit of a thing that looks like a top hat, and that's your adjuster for the tension of the brake. This little nut down here is just a lock nut for this guy. So first of all, we have to separate them. So we're going to hold on to the top one, and we're just going to rotate the bottom one down. And now we can move them independently. And we'll just bring that top hat up a little bit. Check the brake tension, a little more. Check the brake tension. Look at that. Rule of thumb. Beautiful. Okay. I'm happy with that. Alright, now we got to bring this other nut back up to catch up with the top hat. There we go. Then we'll hold the top hat in place and just lock those two together. There we go. See that? Of course, if you don't want to do any of that, you can always just call us at the shop and we're more than happy to help you out.